In Unit 3, we are going to study coordinate geometry. At first, we are going to study about coordinate axis. This coordinate axis consists of two number lines. Like this number line, we have studied from junior classes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers are written on equal gaps or equal intervals like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, and we used to plot like this using arrow. This type we have done in junior classes, and same this type of two number lines we use here. One horizontal number line from east to west is called horizontal number line, and this vertical number line. These two number line intersect or cut each other at this point called origin and denoted by O. This point is called origin and denoted by capital letter O. This point is called X, this point is called Y, this one is called X dash, and this point is called Y dash. And toward this side we write all positive number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this side we write positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This side it consists negative number -1, -2, -3, -4 like this. This side also -1, -2, -3, -4 like this. This X, O, X dash is called x-axis. This line is called x-axis, and this line is called y-axis. And this X, O, Y, this part is called first quadrant. This is called first quadrant, and this is called second quadrant. This is called third quadrant, and this is called fourth quadrant. We can write this I also, this I 2, 3 and 4. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, the any point that we plot here or show here will have both have positive sign, X also and Y also. X have positive sign and Y also have positive sign. In this X and Y, X have negative sign and Y have positive sign. In this X and Y have, X have negative sign and Y also have negative sign. In this X and Y have, X have positive sign, Y have negative sign. This is towards right side all positive, and towards up all positive, towards left all negative, and towards down all negative numbers. For example, when we have to plot 3, 4, since this both are positive, then this will lie in this point will lie in first quadrant because both are positive. We are positive, positive. And then -3, 4, here X is negative, Y is positive. X is negative, Y is positive. So this point lies in second quadrant. Similarly, -3, -4. If we have to plot this, then this will lie in third quadrant. And -3, -4, Y, X positive and Y negative will lie in fourth quadrant. So this point will lie in fourth quadrant. This 3, 4 lies here. We have to start counting from this point O origin. So 1 2 3. At first we have to move x distance on this x-axis, then we have to move y distance, how much is there, that much we have to move. For example, in this 3 4, 3 unit we have to move towards x, 1 2 3. Then from this point we have to move 4 unit towards y axis. Y axis 4 is positive, so we have to move up 1 2 3 4. So this is the point of this 3 and 4. And similarly this is the point of -3 and 4, and this is the point of this -3 -4, and this is the point of 3 -4. We have seen here also this 3 4 lies in first quadrant, -3 4 lies in second quadrant, -3 -4 lies in third quadrant, and 3 -4 lies in fourth quadrant. So in this way this sign value also we have to remember for all quadrants. Any point on this Cartesian plane or rectangular axis are denoted by a pair of numbers. The first number is called x coordinate and this second number is called y coordinate. This x coordinate is also called abscissa or run, and this y coordinate is also called ordinate or rise. In this question number 1, we have to find the coordinates of a, b, c, d and e from the following graph. Coordinates means this pair of numbers which lie on Cartesian plane. In question number 1, we have to find the coordinates of points a, b, c, d and e from the following graph. From this graph we have to find coordinates of this point a, b, c, d and e. Coordinates means a pair of number like this x and y. This x represent the number on x-axis and y represent number on y-axis. And for this point a, 1 2 3 points is on x-axis and 1 2 3 4 point on y-axis. So coordinates of this point a is 3 4. And for b, 1 2 3, and as we know towards left side of x-axis it has negative sign, so -3. Then it is moved 1 2, and above this is positive, so -3 and 2 is a coordinate of this point b. Then for c, 1 2 3, same -3 towards x-axis, then -4, 1 2 3 4, -4 because it is down. And for d, 1 2 3 4, 4 unit towards right, so positive, and 2 units below, so -2. And for point e, 1 2 3 4 5 units towards right and 1 2 units towards up, so all positive. Here we can see this a and e are positive, a and e are all positive because this lies in first quadrant. In b, x is negative and y is positive because this lies in second quadrant. For point c, both are negative because this point c lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant x and y both are negative, and in this point d, x is positive and y is negative. In question number 2, we have to plot the following points on Cartesian plane. This type of question we have already done in first lesson, so we are going to do in short. You can look that videos for revision. For this we have to see maximum number that will lies in every axis towards positive x, negative x. Here 4, So 4 is maximum for x towards right and towards left. Minus 4 is there, and for y 2 4 positive is 4 and negative is -7. So graph containing this much units we have to make. If we do not make rough sketch like this, then our points may not be able to locate here because of insufficient numbers. 1 2 3 4. So if I take here, it will be sufficient, and 7 units we have to take down. If you take here, it will be sufficient. This we have to draw by scale. I am only showing the way to do. Like this, by scale we have to draw. Then this is origin 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this 1 2 3 4. This is x, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7. This is 1 2 3 4 5. Like this we can write how much is needed. Then for this point a 4 2 1 2 3 4, then up 1 2. So this is 4 2. Then for 3 4 3 1 2 3 4. This is 3 4. For -1 3 minus, this is minus all, -1, then 1 2 3. This is -1 3, then 3 -2 1 2 3 1 2. This is 3 -2. Then -1 -2 -1 -2. This is -1 -2. Then 1 -7. 1 -7 is here. 1 -7. Then 0 3. 0, x is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y is 3. This is 0 3. Then -4 0. X is -4 and y is 0. So this is -4 0. So our all points are plotted.